In this lesson, we're going to use the formula we learnt before to calculate some more tricky examples. For example, in this first diagram, we're asked to calculate the perimeter of the shape. Now, the perimeter is the distance all the way around the shape, so you're going all the way around here, and then you're going all the way around here, back to the start if you like. So you have to go all the way around and then back to the start. So the first thing to do is calculate the circumference of a full circle. What we have to do is we have to picture this here as a full circle, so all the way around. So if we get the circumference of the full circle first by doing c equals pi d, you do 3.14 multiplied by the diameter, which is 14. So that gives you the circumference of the full circle here, 43.96. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out the curved part. Now, the curved part is the bit round here, just that bit there. So if I think about that curve there, then I know that that curve is half a circle. So what I do is I take my circumference of my full circle and I half it, times by half, or you can divide by 2. It's the same thing. So the curved bit, this bit round here, is 21.98. But I'm not finished yet. What I need to do is I need to go back along here to finish my perimeter. So I need to add on an extra 14 to get my perimeter. So take my 21.98 and add on an extra 14, which gives me this answer, which is approximately 36 metres. Now, to speed this process up, what you can do is you can write your formula out. You could forget about this bit, and you could write your formula out, divide by 2, and then divide by 2 here, and then you would get into 21.98 there, and then you could feed that into your perimeter. You're fine to do that as long as you remember to put divide by 2 in your formula. Okay, next example. Calculate the perimeter of this here, which is a quarter circle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to imagine the full circle again like this. So I'm going to work out the circumference of the full circle using c equals pi d. So that's going to be 3.14 multiplied, be careful here because the diameter is not 4. Again, if you look at the full circle here, then from here to here is a radius, so the diameter is all the way across, so that's actually 8. That's a mistake people make. So it's 3.14 times 8, and get your answer in your calculator, 25.12. Now I'm not looking for the circumference, the full one, I just want this wee curved bit here. So again, I'm going to look at the curved part, which is this bit round here. Now this curved bit is a quarter of a circle. So you can times by a quarter or divide by 4, and that gives me 6.28. But what I have to do is I have to remember that I need to go back around here and back up here to do a perimeter. Perimeter is the distance all the way around the shape. So this is a quarter circle, that would be a radius, and this bit up and down here is also 4 because that's a radius as well. If you look at the circle again, like this, then you can see that's from the centre point to the outside, centre point to the outside. So what I have to do with my 6.28 to go all the way around, this is 6.28 plus 4 plus 4. And you get your answer of 14.28 centimetres. Now just a wee point, again, if you wanted to do this quicker, you could forget about that and you could just put divide by 4 here and divide by 4 here. And that would lead you to 6.28 and feed that into perimeter.